Let's end the show with Bitcoin, the cryptocurrency stuck just above 6,000, kind of stuck in the mud, guys. It's down 70% from the highs. Grizz, you see a Bitcoin bounce coming? I don't know. We have this conversation. This is a tough trade.
Yeah, this is a tough trade, Jackie, but when everybody's ready to throw in the towel, I think that's the time that you got to get in a trade. And right now, when I'm looking at support, this is the support from when the futures contract started. 57.85 is the low. So I'm looking to buy 60.50s. I put my stop in at 5,700 below that support. So it would be a new futures low for this if we get down there. And I'm looking for a move back up to 6,700. So not a huge move, but just a little bit of a bounce there.
Okay, Brian, your reaction to that?
Well, I think when you look at Bitcoin, typically it is correlated with volatility subsiding, and it's correlated with the U.S. dollar. The dollar is strengthened, Bitcoin hasn't gone with it. Volatility's picked up, Bitcoin hasn't really gone with it. It's staying down. I think some of that means that both volatility will subside a month from now. But to Grizz's point about being a buyer here, it does seem like a good spot here. I think Bitcoin got crushed. A lot of miners, the mining capacity, the value of purchasing a miner decreased by 2/3 since the start of the year. So it was a lot cheaper to ramp up production. And I think production has increased faster than people thought. Given that, that's why I think Bitcoin really got crushed hard down to the 6,000 level. But to me, right now, in this area, great time to buy. I love Grizz's trade.
Grizz, we look at the technicals in a lot of the other futures that we trade. Bitcoin just recently started trading. Would you want to sort of give this some time to be able to analyze the charts a little more and let Bitcoin find its footing before you want to sort of make a directional call either way?
Yeah, I wish I could, Jackie. Usually I take the technicals and I try to meld them with some fundamentals, but there's really no fundamentals with the Bitcoin market right now. So the technicals is all we had. So I'm looking at this chart and as futures traders started, this was pretty much the low. So we're back to the low right now. And if this thing could run from here, it could actually go a lot higher. But if we fail here, Jackie, this could be, maybe the end of Bitcoin itself. Not the end of cryptocurrencies or the technology, but could be the end of Bitcoin as we know it right now. Because I think that a lot of traders are holding on to this level right now. And if we start breaking through, they're going to bail out with what they have left.
All right, let's get the risk reward on this trade, too. Anthony is buying the CBOE Bitcoin futures 60.50. He's targeting a move to 6,700 even. Each contract a little more than $6,000. So he's risking 60 to make 350 on this trade. Hey traders, did you like that video? There's more where that came from. Scroll down and click on the links to the right of your screen. We publish new videos and trade updates from our experts every day. And don't forget to follow us on Twitter at CNBC Futures Now.